We have a mathematics question that says the term independent of x. When they say independent of x, simply means a number that has no x when you expand this one. Okay, now they're saying that number, it is this one here. So now the question is saying find the k, the value which is here. So if you want to find the k, what you do is you need to first write the formula. So you say Tn, okay, so r plus 1, it is equal to, so you say n r, then the first term is like this. So this is the formula. Now a simply means the first term here, b simply means this one. Now r here, n simply means this one. Now r here is just a number which helps us to find the actual place value where this number is found. So what you do here is this. So now it will be t r plus 1 like this is equal to, now here where there is this one, let me just remove this one, where there is n, so you can put what here, where there is n you can put 9, r we don't know, and then where there is a we put this one, so it is now k over x square, and then here there is n minus, so n we know it is 9, so 9 minus r. Now b there is x, so there is x like this. So now the next step is we need to only to solve for x. We need to solve for this part and for this part. So what we do, we can expand this part alone, just alone this part. So meaning it will be like this. So k over 1 multiply with what? With 1 over x square to the power 9 over r, dot product meaning times, and then you say now x times this one, it is xr. You have seen? Now this one here, we only focus on r for now, for r. So for r here, we use for x. So this one, when it moves on top, it will be x square negative like this, and then 9 minus r, dot product, then x like this. So now it will be x, so negative 2 times this one, negative 18, negative 2 times this one, positive 2r. And then here there's a dot and then r like this. So now, according to the rules of indices, when we have the same base, when we are multiplying the same base, so with the values with the same base, then we're supposed to add the powers. So it will be x. So it will be x, then we add. So this number plus this one, it will be negative 18 plus 3r. So this one plus this is going to give me this. Next step now, you equate this one to 0. Meaning now, it will be like this. It will be negative 18 plus 3r equal to 0, so it is 3r equal to 18. You divide with 3 cancel out, so r is equal to what? To 6. Now what we do next is, again we come back again to the question, to this formula, okay, this one. So now here where there is r plus t plus 1, we put this one, so it is now 61 2 3 6 equal to, so here where there is n you put 9, so it is now 9, and then r we put what? 6. So 6 like this, and then where there is a you put this one, so it is k over x square, and then like this, and then now you say 9 minus 6, so 9 minus 6, okay, so dot product, and then the other one is for b there is x, so x it is what? 6, because here there is r which is 6, so you just put that one. Next step, again you get this one, so it is 6 1 3 2 3 6 equal to. Now as we know, to say 9 minus 6 is going to give me what? 3. So here meaning there is a power 3. So now meaning that it will be like this. Now before I continue, when I say 9 and then 6 here, it simply means supposed to expand 9, supposed to multiply the values, the positive values that are less than 9. For example, you say 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is the meaning there. Now what you do is, since we know that once we multiply the values which are less than 9, and even here which are less than 6, then 6 is going to cancel out those values for 9. Because here 6 simply means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So they're going to cancel out. Meaning that here I'm going to remain with the 9 times 8 times 7. Because those values which are less than 6 have been cancelled with this 6 here. So now, meaning it's supposed to be 9 times 8 times 7, which is going to give me 504. Now we come here. Now this part is going to be like this. So 9 minus this one, it is like this. It's going to give me 3. And then we know that here there is 1 times this one to be to the power 6. Now this will be fixed. 3 will cater for this one, and then 3 will cater for this one. So now it will be 3 to this one to be k to the power 3. 3 times this one is going to give me 6. So here it is x6 now because of this 3. So meaning that here there is x to the power 6, here there is k to the power 3. So now this 6x to the power 6 is going to cancel out with this one. So meaning I'm going now to remain with this one. So like this. So k to the power 3. So you divide with this value like this. Even here you are going to divide, you cancel out. So now k to the power 3. So this one is going to give me 121.5 like this. So you introduce the cube root. Even here cube root cancel out. So k now it is equal to what? It is equal to 4.95, which is the answer here.